my people, welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Thank you, I do appreciate. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this plantain kpoff kpoff. I'll be using this 4 plantain to make it. I'll be peeling off my plantain to be mashed. Feel free to blend it if you feel that mashing it is a big job. You can blend it, it's still the same thing. You can see all done. Here I'll be mixing my mashed plantain together with my dry ingredient. Here I'm using 2 cups of flour and my brown sugar, 5 grams of yeast, salt to taste, nutmeg, and my 2 cups of full cream milk. Please add the milk bit by bit. Check the consistency before you add more. Check if you still need more. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, remember to show me love by subscribing to my channel, following my page at Plantain Kpoff, and always like my video and share them. Comment. You can see all well combined. Here I'll be covering it and let it sit for 30 minutes to double in time. You can see it's already gathered. Right. I'll be molding it with my hand. Here I'll be molding it with my hand into my hot oil. Remember to use medium heat while frying this. This is so easy and I believe you can do it. Hope you will get to try this. Okay, make sure you always turn the sides so that they will all cook evenly. So remember, when it turns to golden brown, that shows you it's done. Remember to subscribe and follow my page at Glatory, and always like my video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will get to try this recipe. This is so easy. Plantain kpoff kpoff is a game changer. As you can see, it came out so well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll get to try this, and see you again on my next video. Thank you. Bye.